Just a quick reminder, if you're enjoying this series, I have a book that goes along with it. There's a link to that below. Thanks. In this video, we're going to look at the read CSV function from pandas. Read CSV allows you to bring in data into your coding environment, and specifically data that's stored in a CSV file. If you don't know what that is, a CSV file is a file that uses commas to structure the equivalent of a data table. If you're interested in learning more about that, you can look it up. For now, let's look at our code. So we're importing pandas, giving it the alias PD, and then in this next line, we're using our pd.read CSV file to bring in this Apple CSV file, and then we're putting it into a variable df, which is short for data frame. So this read CSV function transforms this file into a data frame. We can put that data frame into a variable. All of this is the file path for where the Apple CSV file is stored. So with this, we're telling Python where to find the file we want to use with the function. This file is available on the GitHub page of the series. So if you go to that link, you can download this and try this out yourself. Your file path will likely be different. You can see I have my name right here. If you're in Windows, you can get the file path by right-clicking on the file and going down to copy path. And then you can just copy it right in here and then put an R before it. The R is very important, so don't forget that. And so that's how we're bringing in this Apple file. And now let's run this, print it, and see what it looks like. Okay, so here's the Apple data set. It has 5 columns right now. 4 of those have normal names: weekday, open, close, 5-day high. But then we have a strange one right here, unnamed :0. So this is essentially saying that the column doesn't have a name. That's because this is actually an index. It's meant to be an index, but read CSV just takes every piece of data it gets and tries to organize it into columns. I'll show you how to change that in the next line of code. And so let's go down there. So this code is almost exactly the same as this code, but we've added a parameter here, index underscore col, and then equals 0. So with this, we're telling the function that the first column is actually the index and to use it as the index when it brings it into Python. This is a 0 because Python, like most other programming languages, uses zero-based indexing, which means you essentially start counting from 0 instead of 1. And so let's run this. All right, and now it looks just like it should. So the dates are the index. We have our 4 columns right here. And that's how read CSV works.